Alright guys, we are in Teardown and Jim Marshall with his 2.4 second under the index. And yeah, he'll be busy working. And then we have Victor Cagnazzi. He was, I think, number 2. And you guys will have to forgive me because I'm not sure who this is. I think I know who this is, but I'm not sure, guys. So it's Pontiac. I don't know where he qualified. Obviously, it's a Pontiac and Trans Am. And then we also have the Tempest, Division 1, and I have to apologize because I don't know who it is, but I'm going to find out, and I'll put it in the caption or something. I'll write it. I'll put both names in when I'm doing the video. So yeah, so this is Teardown. 4 cars. We'll have 4 cars now for stock. And then we'll have 4 cars later for Superstock, which they're just finishing up Superstock class because of the rain yesterday. So just wanted to fill you guys in. And this is the Teardown barn. Only 4 cars in each category. They just don't have the manpower to do it like the old days. All right, guys.